Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to get your Nova access code step by step. If you've been trying to sign up for Nova and you're stuck at the access code part, don't worry. This tutorial will make it simple for you. First, head over to the official Nova website or open the Nova app if you've already downloaded it. When you begin the sign-up process, you'll see a section asking for an access code. Now, the access code is basically an invite that allows you to create your account. There are a couple of ways to get one. The most common way is by joining the Nova waitlist on their website. Once you sign up with your email, Nova will eventually send you an access code directly. Sometimes this takes a little while, so be patient. Another way is through referral invites. Existing Nova users often get a limited number of access codes they can share with friends or family. If you know someone who's already using Nova, just ask them to send you one of their codes. Once you receive your access code, either from the waitlist or from a referral, go back to the sign-up screen, enter it into the box, and continue creating your account. After that, you'll be able to log in and start using Nova right away. And that's it. That's how you get your Nova access code. So make sure you only use official channels or trusted friends to get your code. Don't fall for scams or fake sellers online. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.